Hey everyone, welcome to Empowered Trends, the channel where we break down the global shifts changing how we live, work, and create. If you're all about staying ahead of the curve in business, culture, or tech, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button because today's trend could literally change your career. In this episode, we're diving into the AI revolution that's transforming the creator economy in 2025. From video editing in seconds to automated scripts and brand deals, AI isn't just helping creators keep up, it's helping them scale up. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of so much online content, the written word. And when it comes to AI writing tools, ChatGPT and Google's Gemini are the heavy hitters in the ring. Think about the last time you stared at a blank page, whether it was for a YouTube video script, a blog post, or even just a killer Instagram caption. These AI tools can help you get those creative juices flowing. We're talking brainstorming content ideas, generating different angles for your script, even crafting entire newsletter sequences. The interfaces are clean, intuitive, and surprisingly user-friendly. You literally type in what you want, maybe give it a few examples to learn your style, and boom. It spits out copy that sounds like you, but better. But it's not just about speed, it's about quality. These AI models have been trained on massive amounts of data, so they understand grammar, syntax, and even things like tone and style. These tools can handle the first draft, the tedious stuff, the tasks that might normally take you hours. That frees you up to focus on the big picture, the strategic stuff, the things that truly require your unique voice and perspective. So whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, don't sleep on the power of ChatGPT and Gemini. They can seriously level up your writing game. Okay, now let's talk about something truly next level, turning your words into cinematic quality video with nothing more than AI. And the tools that are making this magic happen are Runway and Pika Labs. No cameras, no actors, no expensive studios, just your imagination and the power of artificial intelligence. Imagine this. You have a killer idea for a video, but you don't have the resources, or maybe even the desire, to deal with the traditional production process. With Runway and Pika Labs, you can literally type in a description of what you want your video to look like, and the AI will generate it for you. Want a sweeping shot of a futuristic cityscape? Done. Need a close-up of a talking animal? No problem. The level of detail and realism that these tools can achieve is mind-blowing. And it's not just about creating cool visuals. These platforms are also getting incredibly good at generating animations, special effects, and even realistic character movements. We're talking about the potential to create entire films, TV shows, and video games using nothing but AI. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this mean human filmmakers and animators are out of a job? Not necessarily. They can handle the tedious, time-consuming tasks like creating basic animations or generating background scenery. That gives human artists more time to focus on the creative aspects like character development, storytelling, and adding those subtle details that make a video truly special. So whether you're a filmmaker, animator, or just someone who loves to play around with video, I highly recommend checking out Runway and Pika Labs. They're a game changer for the creative industry. Editing, it's the necessary evil of content creation. But what if I told you it could be as easy as editing a text document? That's the promise of Descript, an AI-powered tool that's changing the game for audio and video editing. Here's how it works. Descript transcribes your audio and video files into text, so you can see the words you're working with right there on the screen. And the magic is, any changes you make to the text are automatically reflected in the audio or video. Need to remove a filler word like or like boom, click, gone. Want to rearrange entire sentences or paragraphs? Just drag and drop. It's seriously that easy. Descript also offers some seriously impressive AI-powered features like noise reduction, audio enhancement, and even the ability to clone your voice. Imagine being able to clean up your audio, remove background noise, and even create realistic voiceovers, all without ever having to touch a traditional audio editor. And for video editors, Descript offers a streamlined workflow for cutting clips, adding transitions, and even creating subtitles. Now I know some hardcore editors might be hesitant to embrace AI-powered tools like this, but for me, it's all about working smarter, not harder. Descript takes care of the tedious, time-consuming tasks, so you can focus on the creative side of editing. It's like having an assistant editor who works tirelessly in the background, making sure your content is polished and professional. So whether you're a podcaster, YouTuber, or filmmaker, I highly recommend giving Descript a try. it might just change the way you edit forever. Let's be real, not all of us are design gurus. But in the world of online content, having eye-catching visuals is non-negotiable. That's where Canva AI and Adobe Firefly come in, making professional-level design accessible to everyone. We're talking about creating stunning thumbnails for your YouTube videos, crafting scroll-stopping Instagram posts, and designing branded content that looks like you hired a whole agency, all in a matter of seconds. Canva AI, for example, can generate dozens of design variations based on your input. You can tell it what kind of vibe you're going for, what colors you like, even upload your own images and logos. It's like having a personal design assistant that never sleeps. Adobe Firefly is another powerhouse in the AI design space, offering a suite of tools that can generate images, textures, and even entire design layouts from scratch. You can literally type in a description of what you want, and Firefly will make it a reality. And the best part? You don't need any prior design experience to use these tools. The interfaces are intuitive, user-friendly, and packed with templates and tutorials to get you started. So whether you're a blogger, entrepreneur, or social media manager, don't let design be a roadblock to your success. Embrace the power of AI and unlock your inner design genius with Canva AI and Adobe Firefly. Ever wish you could turn your written content into engaging videos without the hassle of traditional video editing? Well, guess what? You can. Lumen 5 and InVideo are AI-powered platforms that make it ridiculously easy to transform your blogs, articles, or even just scripts into full-fledged video content. We're talking about automatically adding music, voiceovers, and visuals to your text, creating videos that are polished, professional, and ready to share across all your platforms. Imagine this. You have a killer blog post that's packed with valuable information. Instead of just hoping people will take the time to read it, you can use Lumen 5 or InVideo to turn it into a dynamic video that captures attention and brings your words to life. These platforms are incredibly intuitive to use. You simply paste in your text, choose a video style or template, and the AI does the rest. You can customize the visuals, add your own branding, and even choose from a library of royalty-free music and sound effects. And if you don't have a voiceover artist on speed dial, no problem. Both Lumen 5 and InVideo offer text-to-speech capabilities with a variety of voices and accents to choose from. So whether you're a blogger, marketer, or educator, Lumen 5 and InVideo can help you reach a wider audience and make your content more engaging and accessible. Try them out and see how they can transform your written content into visual masterpieces. Finding the perfect voiceover can be a challenge. It can be time-consuming, expensive, and sometimes you just can't find the right voice to match your vision. But with AI-powered voiceover tools like 11 Labs and Murph, those days are over. We're talking about generating high-quality voiceovers in a matter of minutes, with a level of control and customization that's truly impressive. Multiple accents, different genders, various tones, it's all there at your fingertips, adjustable with a slider. Instead of spending hours searching through voiceover demos and negotiating rates, you can simply type in your desired parameters into 11 Labs or Murph, and the AI will generate the perfect voiceover for you. And the best part? These tools are constantly learning and improving, which means the quality of the voices is only going to get better over time. These tools can also be incredibly useful for prototyping ideas, testing different voices for your content, and even creating multilingual voiceovers. So whether you're a filmmaker, animator, or e-learning creator, 11 Labs and Murph can save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. Give them a try and see how they can elevate your projects. In the age of short-form content, it's not enough to just create great long-form videos. You need to repurpose that content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And that's where Opus Clip comes in, making it easier than ever to turn one long-form video into 10 viral-worthy short clips. Opus Clip uses AI to identify the most engaging and shareable moments in your content, automatically adding captions, cuts, and transitions that are optimized for each platform. Instead of spending hours manually creating short clips for other platforms, you can simply upload your video to Opus Clip, and the AI will do the heavy lifting for you. It's like having a team of social media experts working behind the scenes, ensuring that your content is seen by as many people as possible. Opus Clip is constantly analyzing trends and best practices for short-form content, so you can be confident that your clips are optimized for maximum engagement. Opus Clip can also help you reach new audiences and grow your following across multiple platforms. So whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, or educator, Opus Clip can help you maximize the reach and impact of your content. Try it out and see how it can transform your long-form videos into viral hits. So here's what you can do next. Pick one task that's slowing you down: scripting, editing, voiceovers, and find the right AI tool for it. Start small, try it, tweak it, make it yours. Build a workflow that frees you up to create more and stress less. The creator economy isn't about going viral, it's about building value, and AI gives you the tools to build faster and better than ever before. This is Empowered Trends, where creators become CEOs, where tools become power, and where your ideas become income. If this helped you, drop a comment with your favorite tool, share with a fellow creator, and subscribe for more weekly drops on global trends, tech, and creator power. Let's build the future together.